Viscosity is a virtue for your Corvette. Your best bet is to have your dealer handle maintenance, but this is a primer if you plan to handle it yourself.
To check the oil on the 2020 Corvette, you will actually leave the engine running to do this. Just let it at idle. You want to make sure that the engine's warm. You'll walk back to the engine compartment, grab the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert it into the tube and pull it back out and compare it to the hash marks on the dipstick.
If the oil is below the cross-hatched area, add a quart of the recommended oil through the oil fill cap opening here, then recheck the level. For convertibles, press lock and the convertible top buttons on the key fob to open the tonneau and access the oil-filled dipstick and coolant fill covers. Make sure the covers are sealed after use. Using engine oil approved to the proper specification and viscosity grade is crucial. To check your coolant, be sure the system is cool and that the vehicle is on a level surface. Check to see if coolant is visible in the coolant surge tank. If the coolant inside the coolant surge tank is boiling, do not do anything else until it cools down. If the coolant is low, add the precise mixture of 40% DexCool coolant and 60% clean drinkable water, or take the vehicle to your dealer for service. The wiper fluid reservoir is located here. If you will be using your Corvette in temperatures that may fall below freezing, use a fluid that has sufficient protection against freezing. We've been walking you through things on this coupe, but a convertible is laid out a little bit differently. You check the oil here, the coolant here, and the wiper fluid is in the same place under the hood.
We know that a lot of customers enjoy working on their cars, and we try to make the Corvette no exception to that.